and welcome. I'm Parisa Shelton and welcome to your 10-minute Qigong for a midday break. If you're the type of person who feels that lull in the middle of the afternoon, well, you're not alone. And guess what? Chinese medicine and Qigong has been saying this for thousands of years, and that is at specific times of the day, certain organs are most active. Now, the heart is most active between the hours of 11 and 1 p.m., the small intestines between the hours of 1 to 3 p.m., the urinary bladder from 3 to 5 p.m., and the kidneys from 5 to 7. So we're gonna target those organs today, starting by pulling down heavens 3 times, reaching the arms out wide to the side, and then bringing the hands in front of the body as we start to scan, notice and feel. And notice how 10 minutes can make a world of difference as we grab from the space around us, pull that energy in and let it wash through you. Yes, so if you're the person who's reaching for that afternoon coffee because we feel that afternoon lull, let's try this practice instead and see and notice what benefits we can experience. Now, the next practice we're going to do is called shaking the tree. So we're going to start at the fingertips and think of some type of irritation, frustration. Start to wiggle the fingers, wiggle the wrists, and then as you breathe in, ripple up and shake those troubles away. Let it roll off you 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Letting go 1 more time. Any frustration, irritation, and feel it roll right off the tips of the fingers and deep into the ground. 1 time, pull down heavens, inhale and exhale. All right, for those of us who work at the computer, spend a lot of time on the screen, let's do a few head circles as we bring the chin to the chest, the ear to the shoulder, rolling the head one way. If there's any particularly tender area, spend an extra moment or 2 there. And feel the tension dissipate, allowing for your body and your energy to flow smoothly and effortlessly. And reverse, circle the head the other way, stimulating that relaxation response as we take a quick break this fine afternoon to clear any negative energy and access more peace of mind, health, and vitality. Chin to chest, look down, lift the head and smile. Let's go 1 time, pull down heavens, inhale. There's that smile, and exhale, just like that. All right, well, let's go for the kidneys first. Kidney cleansing exercise. You're gonna rub the palms of the hands together, rub, rub, rub. Then place the warm hands in the low back, in the small of the low back. Take a deep breath, inhale. And as you exhale, breathe the warmth from the hands into the low back, recharging and replenishing the kidneys. Try that 2 more times. Rub the palms of the hands together, rub, rub, rub. Place the warm hands in the low back, deep breath, inhale. Long breath, exhale. Feel your energy replenishing and recharging. 1 more time, rub the palms together. Create some heat in the palm of the hands. Place the warm hands in the low back, lengthening through the spine. Breathe in and exhale. Recharge and replenish. Just like that. Then we're going to take 1 hand and bring it to the opposite side of the lower back into the kidney cleansing exercise. The other hand comes in front. Then we're going to fold at the waist, scooping down, up and around, letting the head follow the hand, circling down, up and around. Imagine a flowing stream of water. Notice the flowing stream of consciousness as the thoughts pass by. Just noticing, scanning, and feeling. Connecting with the kidneys and the water element, the urinary bladder. As we draw forth wisdom, gentleness, creativity, let's come up to the top and bring that hand that's in the front to the opposite side of the lower back. Reverse the circle, scooping down, up and around. Now, Do your best to guide the breath in and out through the nose. Feeling that nice, smooth, circular rhythm. And depending on what's going on with the low back will determine how far you fold in that forward fold. Maybe you just come right here. If you want more of a stretch, then come deeper into that forward bend. That's it. Let's try 2 more circles around, down, up and around. There we go, bringing it up to the top, release the arms, cup the hands this time, pull energy into the third eye point, then exhale down the center column of the body. Do that again 2 more times, grabbing from the space around you, breathe in, and as you exhale, feel the center of your being. 1 more time, inhale, and exhale. Take one hand, or left hand, place it on the heart, and the right hand and place it on the belly. And now we're going to move into the heart healing sound, which is ha, H-A, ha. And we're going to do 3 out loud, then we're going to do 3 in a whisper, and 3 in the mind's ear. So closing the eyes and focusing on the breath. Take a nice deep breath, adding the chant for the heart healing sound. Breathe in. And again. One more time out loud. Three times in the mind's ear, silently to yourself. Very nice. Then take the finger claws and lightly tap on the crown of the head, sending energy from the crown in and through the body, past the heart, past the lungs, through the visceral cavity, through the hips and groins, and then down into the ground to be recycled, replenished, and renewed. Try that for 3, 2, and 1. Pause, relax the arms, notice what you feel. To wrapping the waist, we're going to, again, stimulate the kidneys as we lightly tap here on the low back. Meanwhile, lightly tapping on the chest and letting the head follow in that nice twisting action, feeling that spiraling upward current of energy from below the feet, spiraling around the body and above the head in both directions. Almost like a DNA helix, which is so cool because if you think about our cells and the planetary alignments, we can notice the connection between the tiny and the big, the micro and the macro, because everything is connected. That's it. Lightly tapping low back, lightly tapping the chest, waking it up. Nice boost for our mid-afternoon break. And we're here for 3, and 2, and 1. Coming back to the center, smile. There's that smile 3 times. Inhale. As you exhale, notice that jolt of energy. feeling better than before. 2 more times, deep breath in and a long breath out, ready to go conquer whatever projects remain for the rest of this fine day. 1 more time. As you exhale, feel that wave of calm confidence, knowing that all is well. Until next time, we will chi you later.